Right, Chaise long restoration. We've actually cut 12 inches off of this end piece and put because we had to fix all the joints, and yep, we put some screws in there. It's all very wobbly. This was really wobbly, but it's not now. We put webbing, actually re-webbed it. I've replaced, well, I've put this over the existing backrest because that's what it was like underneath, with straw inside. Now I'm going to keep this, and this is done with an old coffee sack actually, like you see. And I'm going to attach this to it, and that will keep it together. I may do an edge stitch like I did over there. You see, just here. Right, let's get on with it. I've got plenty. Dust come out of there. Pull this tight. I need to put a mask on at this rate. What's happening? I've run out of staples. Anyway, I'm going to do that all the way along. Then the next thing will be, it'll come back over like that. So I've run out of staples, I've got to go and fill them up. And it'll be nice and tight. Keep that squareness about it though. And then I'll attach the other side on the inside. Oh yeah, that's alright. So I'm not doing it right at the end, not at the edge. I think that's go on, no, it doesn't. It stops there, so the material will stop there. Alright, let's turn it off for a moment.